Good morning, students. Today we will discuss another problem. Solve the differential equation x square d square minus 4xd plus 6 of y is equal to 21x raised to 4 using method of variation of parameters. Here, in this case, this is a non-homogeneous differential equation. Right-hand side is not equal to 0. Therefore, we have to find out y is equal to y of c plus y of b. We have to find out complementary function and particular integral. To find complementary function, to find y of c, complementary function, first we take the left-hand side. Left-hand side is equal to x square d square y minus 4x dy plus 6y is equal to 0. Right? Take the left-hand side. Then this can be written as x square d square y by dx square minus 4x into dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. X square d square y by dx square minus 4x into dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0, where d stands for d by dx. Symbolic form. D is the symbolic form. Therefore, we can write it as x square d square y by dx square minus 4x into dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. Then we compare this equation with our Euler-Cauchy equation. This is an Euler-Cauchy equation. We compare this equation with our Euler-Cauchy equation. In the standard form or general form of Euler-Cauchy equation is a0 x square y double dash plus a1 x y dash plus a2 y is equal to 0. This is the standard form or general form of a Euler-Cauchy equation. When we compare with the Euler-Cauchy equation, we get a0 is equal to 1. A0 is equal to 1. Then A1 is equal to minus 4. Then A2 is equal to 6. A2 is equal to 6. Then we write the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is, we know the auxiliary equation is A0 m square plus A1 minus A0 into m. A1 minus A0 into m plus A2 is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. In the auxiliary equation, we substitute the value of A0, A1, A2. Therefore, A0 is equal to 1. Therefore, m square plus A1 minus A0 minus 4 minus 1. Therefore, minus 5m plus A2 is equal to 6. Then we get a quadratic equation. M square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. M square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. Solving this equation, when we solve this quadratic equation, we get the value of m is equal to 2 and 3. The value of m is equal to 2 and 3. Therefore, we can write the auxiliary equation. We can write the complementary function. We can write the complementary function y of c is equal to c1 into x square plus c2 into x cube. This is the answer y of c. Therefore, the value of y of c or y of complementary function is equal to c1 x square plus c2 x cube. Then we can find out the next step, that is y of p. Next, we have to find out the y of p. To find out y of p, next step to find y of p. For that, here y of c is equal to c1 x square plus c2 x cube. Compare with y is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. When we compare with the c1 y1 plus c2 y2, the y1 is equal to x square, y2 is equal to x cube. Y1 is equal to x square, y2 is equal to x cube. Then we can find the Wronskian constant w. We can find the Wronskian constant. Wronskian constant y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. The formula for Wronskian constant is y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. That is equal to x square, x cube, then y1 dash, derivative of y1 dash, that is 2x, y2 dash 3x square. Then simplifying this, this is 3x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4. That is, Wronskian constant is equal to x raised to 4. W is equal to x raised to 4. Then we can find the y of p. Y of p, our formula is minus y1 integral of y to r of x w, y to r of x into dx by w plus y2 into integral y1 r of x dx by w. By using this formula, we can find the yp. Therefore, here y1 is equal to, y1 we know that y1 is equal to x square. Therefore, minus x square integral y2 x cube into r of x. R of x is equal to 21x raised to 4. Right hand side part, 21x raised to 4 divided by w is equal to x raised to 4 dx. Then plus y2 is equal to x cube integral y1 is equal to x square. R of x is equal to 21x raised to 4 by w is equal to x raised to 4 dx. That is minus x square, then cancel x raised to 4, x raised to 4. Therefore, here 21 x raised to 4. Therefore, integrate this one. X cube into 21, that is equal to 21 into x raised to 4 by 4. X raised to 4 by 4. Then, next step, x cube into, we cancel this x raised to 4 and x raised to 4, 21x square. Therefore, 21x cube by 3. 21x cube by 3. Then, again, we can simplify this one. Then we get minus 21 x raised to 6 by 4. Minus 21 x raised to 6 by 4 plus this one 21 x raised to 6 by 3. 21 x raised to 6 by 3. Then we can take 21 x raised to 6 outside. 21 x raised to 6 outside. Therefore, we get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. That is 21 x raised to 6 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 3 by this is 21 x raised to 6. And therefore, 4 minus 3 by 12. Therefore, 21 x raised to 6 into 1 by 12. Therefore, the final answer will be 21 x raised to 6 into 1 by 2. This is the y of p. Then final solution. The final solution y is equal to, we can write y is equal to y of c plus y of p. Y of c is equal to c1 x cube plus c2 x square plus 21 by 12 x raised to 6. This is the final solution. 21 by 12 into x raised to 6. This is the procedure for finding the solution. In this case, the given differential equation is in the form of Euler-Cauchy equation. Euler-Cauchy equation. Therefore, compare with the Euler-Cauchy equation and find the value of A0, A1, A2, then write the auxiliary equation. Then from the auxiliary equation, we get different roots. The roots are 2 and 3. Since the roots are 2 and 3, we can write the y of c. Our complementary function. Then find out the Wronskian constant w by using the formula determinant y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. Then using the formula y of p is equal to minus y1 integral of y2 r of x dx by w plus y2 integral y1 r of x w by dx. By using this formula, we can easily find the y of p. The final solution will be y of c is equal to y of p plus y of c. Therefore, our final answer will be c1 x cube plus c2 x square plus 21 by 12 x raised to 6. This is the procedure for finding the general solution. Okay.